Question number 35A. If the mode of the following distribution is 55, then find the value of x, hence find the mean. Okay, students, here we need to find two things. Firstly, value of x, and secondly, mean, right? For that, firstly, we need to select a model class from this class interval. And as we know, 55 lies between uh, 45 and 60. So this class will be model class, right? And if this is a model class, then this 15 will be F1 and this X is F0 and this 10 is F2. Beside this, from this model class, we need to find L, that is lower limit is 45 and height, that is difference between lower limit and upper limit 60 minus 45, then height will be 15. Now we have formula for finding mode. That formula is now let's put the value L, that is lower limit, we have 45 plus F1 we have 15 minus F2 we have X by 2 into F1 we have 15 minus F0 we have X minus F2 we have 10 into H, that is height, we have 15 equal to mode given in the position, that is 55. Now let's solve. 45 plus 15 minus X, and here 2 into 15 30, and 30 minus this 10 we have 10, 20 minus X into 15 equal to 55. Okay, now let's proceed to next page. Okay, we have now 15 minus X by 20 minus X into 15 equal to 55, and this 45 goes to RHS over here and becomes minus 45. Now 15 minus X by 20 minus X equal to, and after subtracting 45 from 55 we obtain 10 by, and this 15 goes to RHS over here. Now 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. Again, after doing cross multiplication over here, we obtain 45 minus 3x equal to 40 minus 2x. Again, minus 3x as it is, and this minus 2x comes to LHS and becomes plus 2x equal to, and this plus 45 goes to RHS and becomes minus 45 and plus 40 as it is. Okay, now let's solve over here. Okay, here minus 3x plus 2x. After subtracting, here we obtain minus x equal to, and here also minus 45 and plus 40. After subtracting, here we obtain minus 5, and this sign of subtraction and this sign of subtraction can be cancelled out, and finally here we obtain x equal to 5. This is our final answer. Again, here we have to find mean, and students, we can find mean by using three methods, right? And first method is direct method, and secondly assume mean method, and third step deviation method. You can use one of them to find mean, right? But here I'm going to use first method, that is direct method, and for that firstly we have to make table like this. In first column we have to write class interval, and in second column we need to write frequency denoted by Fi, and in third column we have to write class mark denoted by Xi, and in fourth column we have to write Fi Xi. And here class interval has been given in the question over here. Just copy it as it is. First class 0 to 15, secondly 15 to 30. Similarly, copy all as it is. Similarly, Fi, that is frequency, also has been given in the question over here. Just copy it as it is. Firstly, 10, 7, x, and the value of x we have just obtained, that is 5. Then after 15, 10, and 12. Now we have to find xi, and to find xi, firstly we have to add upper limit and lower limit, and then their sum should be divided by 2, right? For example, in first class lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 15, and their sum will be 15 itself, and when we divide 15 by 2, then we obtain xi, that is 7.5. Similarly, in second class, lower limit is 15 and upper limit is 30. Their sum will be 45, and when we divide this 45 by 2, then we obtain xi 22.5. Similarly, here will be now lastly we have to find fi xi. We can easily obtain fi xi by just multiplying fi and xi, right? And in first row, fi is 10 and xi is 7.5, and after multiplying these two we obtain 75. Similarly, in second row, 7 into 22.5. After multiplying, here we obtain similarly now we have to add this all frequency, then we obtain sigma fi equal to, after adding this all, we obtain 59. Similarly, after adding this all fixi, we obtain sigma fixi will be 2872.5. Now we have formula for finding mean. Sigma fixi by sigma fi, and here we have already obtained sigma fixi equal to 2872.5, and sigma fi equal to, we have 59, and 59 can divide these numbers by 48.68 times. So here we have obtained mean equal to 48.68. This is our final answer.